Kumusta mga tol, mga kababayan, mga kabrador? Ang ating pinakamatapang na Ilong Ranger na si Rear Admiral J. Tarjila ay nanginginig sa takot dahil pinaliparan ng flare ang kanilang eroplano sa West Philippine Sea. Kasi ba naman, binigyan na sila ng winarningan na sila ng mga Chinese na wag dumaan, umastang matapang itong Ilong Ranger na ito, kaya nang pinaliparan ng flare, nanginig sa takot. O ito, mga tol, mga kababayan, mga operador, basahin natin ang balita. Chinese forces fired flares as Philippine Coast Guard aircraft conducted a maritime domain awareness flight over the Kalayaan Island Group on Friday. The PCG Cisna Caravan was flying near Mischief Reef or Panganiban Reef, one of China's largest air and naval bases in the West Philippine Sea. Kita mo? Mayabang Alam nilang mainit yung mga Chinese sa mga eroplano lumilipad sa malapit sa kanilang naval base. Itong pambansang Ilong na Ilong Ranger na sa J. Tarjila ay matapang, nanginig naman pala sa takot. Ito, when it encountered not only radio challenges, niraradyohan na pala sila pero ayaw pinaliparan. Encountered not only radio challenges but flares fired from the military facility. Yan, dapat lang yan. Kasi mayabang matapang tapos wala naman palang binatbat. Rear Admiral J. Tarjila, PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, was on board the aircraft along with the other PCG personnel, local officials from Kalayaan and journalists. Speaking to journalists in Palawan, sabi ni Tarjila sa mga journalists sa Palawan, the incident as dangerous because we cannot really expect how far the flares can reach the aircraft. Grabe, no? Alarming. Navy accuses China of directing fire control radar at vessels. Tarjila said Chinese forces also asserted undisputable sovereignty over the area during radio exchanges. Claims he rejected. Kita mo yan? Sobrang yabang. Nanginig ka. Flare lang yun, nanginig ka. We need to emphasize that the Chinese government does not have undisputable sovereignty in Panganiban Reef, and that falls within our exclusive economic zone. He stressed. In the 1990s, Beijing said it would only build a fisherman's shelter in the area. The reef, however, has since been converted into a sophisticated military base. Alam mong ginawa ng naval base ng China at bawal lumipad doon sa mga eryang yan. Mayabang ka kasi, Tarjila, kaya ayan. Ayan. Nanginig sa takot. So yun, mga kababayan, mga tol, mga operador. Ano ang magiging comment nyo dyan? Comment nyo nga sa comment section.